Good day everyone and welcome to another Dutty News where I talk about random things that I see on my timeline. Now let's get into our top stories. And first up, Nicki Minaj releases yet another remix of her single, I mean Skank single, Likkle Miss, featuring several Caribbean acts.
Me clean and dandy, the man say me little like his space in a farm.
No man, Spice, how this woman continues to find new and creative ways to talk about how sanitary and tight her vagina is. Like, and Pamputtae?
Tony side we cock it up.
Yeah man. And in other news, you might have heard about the slang catch the hot alive.
Outside.
But have you heard catch the class? Not true?
Father Depot.
Father.
Holy.
Outside
alive. Humble class.
Now speaking of catch, let's head over to Catch the Hot Alive, the Golden Girls edition.
Mama.
Catch it alive. Catch it alive.
Now from one current trend to the other, dancehall hitmaker Ding Dong drops a new single for a new dance called The Elbow. And you do the yoki pokey and you turn yourself around, cause that's what it's all about. Now from one dancing king to the next, Winford Williams shows that he definitely got the moves.
Towards the car press, 12 grand in the cool. Rolex by my wrist, sit a bust down. We style again.
He needs to be on stage with that. Now moving things right along, a woman was caught on camera having a little dancey dance while stealing. The woman is dangerous though, like I'd find time for her dance while she teach the people them things. Whew. Now, from one job issue to the next, have you ever thought about how to ask for a pay increase? Well, look no further.
Hi, Miss Simpkins. You know, I've been doing a lot of work lately, and I feel like I deserve a salary increase.
No, but there, you can't get any salary increase because it's not in the budget.
Well, Miss Simpkins, I resign.
Okay, my dear, bye.
If you have to ask for a salary increase, let people in company.
And just like that, the whole of Jamaica unemployed right now. Now in other news, this week has been quite devastating for many couples.
It's been great to play and sing together
In the box.
and now it's time to say goodbye.
Alright, them they can go on, but may I defend my local couple. You see the flow couple there? You see who know? Any cutting supposed to go and supposed to be our next umbilical cord. Yeah man, you're supposed to bind up together, bind them up. Tan right there. Crazy glue. Ponal. Now this brings me to our new segment called Rainy Weather Report.
Rainy weather report. Rainy weather report.
Now, moments ahead of the arrival of Tropical Storm Ian, several Jamaicans were seen partying on a yacht.
We have to just do what we have to do.
Now, in more rainy news, Jamaican hustlers created several job titles during the passing of Ian.
Jamaicans always find a way to hustle. This is called Drive Yasso.
That's history.
Now, let's make way for Rainy Day Courier Services.
$50 across the water, you're not going to pay no toll. $50 across the water.
You see why you're grateful for Jamaican innovation? Because years ago at this time did I say?
Nobody can cross it.
Now, due to significant brain drain, several community reporters have had to fill the gap.
This is where the water comes. Of course this drain is adequate. Absolutely, see, even a fridge can fit. And so what if the road helps with a little bit of the drain management? We're all in this thing together.
This is not what I planned.
That is what you call underground reporting, like round of applause, round of applause. And now to our final stories. Now, I guess when rain falls, the love comes down on you.
People, hear what going on, hear what don't, hear. Serious? Jesus, my God.
No, the song say,
Cause every time it rains, I fall to pieces.
yeah, but the girl in a fall to pieces, she fully broke up.
Jesus.
Woo. No, humans weren't the only ones who decided to get in on the rainy action. Yeah, so when them done, them are gonna play stock and pool.
God, you never made a mistake. Pa.
Now, in more giggity news, now I know women are known for shopping, but are they being known for grocery eating?
Come over here, miss. Miss, this is the first girl who ever my eyes. How you doing?
Hi, I'm fine.
No, man. You
You serious?
And now let's get into some animal stories. Animal stories. Now, as the old saying goes, you can pet a goat, but you can't teach it to May.
Fool, you try to tell me.
Mind your business.
If that goat and a bride, suppose to call mama. Look how the goat now, mama. Come out your box. Come out, mama. Jesus Christ, he goat in the house. Come out. How are they black like this?
No, man, they go there unruly. That's me, their country, no, man, I eat it, you know. That will give me upset stomach. Moments. Now, for the first time ever, a baby flamingo is captured on camera. This is clearly a lie, but just go with it. I'm convinced that every flamingo used to play netball. Like, watch goal shooter. Well, that is it. We've come to the end of another spectacular Dutty News, where I talk about random things that I see on my timeline. Do take care until next time. No, so you're gonna tell me so the chair now work neither? No, honestly, like somebody, who buy CVM? Who buy CVM? Somebody need to buy it right now, because this now cut it. We don't have no commercial break, we don't have no little something, them no little excitement. We want the little lower thirds them right here, so. Honestly, me just need that.